Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can earn or make money by using Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, Canva, and search it to Google. Sorry, right here, Fiverr. First, go to the Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where people work for money. Okay, so you can get orders from here in different niches, and you can work in Canva account. So let's see logo design, WordPress, voice cover, video explainer, or many more niches you will find here. Graphic design, digital marketing, anything. So let's see logo design. Here's the different subcategory of logo. So let's choose one, minimalist. You can see here the different size of logo and different type of logo. Okay, you can make this your own in Canva. So I'm gonna show you a basic thing how you can start working in Canva and earn money. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, Canva, search it to Google, go to the first link and log into your Canva account. After logged in, you will find your login page like this, and you have to go to create a design. Now if you want to make a logo, then go to logo, then you can see here different types of logo templates what you can use in to make your own. So let's choose this one. After clicking this, it will be displayed here, and you can edit this for your own. If you want to edit this text and rewrite your own, just double click this and remove it by clicking on backspace from your keyboard, and write here anything like logo designer. Okay, so you can color this font by clicking on this text color. Let's make it blue. Alright, now you can see here the logo sign. You can add here any elements by clicking on these elements. Let's add this girl. Here you can add like this. You can resize it by this. Okay, so you can add here any text. If you want to add it, just go to text, just click this globe, or any text you want to choose, just choose one. If you see this like big, just drag it like this and resize your own like this. If you want to change the color, double click on it and text color, go and choose your color. It will be like this. Okay guys, so after finishing your designing or making logo, you can share it by clicking on this, and right here the email address you want to share with, anything. After clicking on this send button, this work will send to this email address. Okay, so this is how you can basically start earning by making logo or anything in Canva. You can save this work and deliver it to this Fiverr account. Okay, so guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.